So we've got my brother's tent, and then we've got the bike tent. I brought my bike and a scooter for my brother to ride. We're going to go for a ride in a little while. That's kind of how it's set up. I thought I'd do a little editing this morning, so I am charging my computer with my solar panel. I've got going right here. It's doing great. Very chill morning. My brother saw some maybe wild pheasants come through earlier. I saw a couple of chipmunks and lots of robins. It's just very, very chill and chilly. But it'll warm up nicely this afternoon. This is heaven.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Normally when I travel and camp, I do so solo. But this time I wanted to bring my brother because we have so much fun together. We grew up coming to the Colorado mountains as a family, and it's fun coming back as adults and doing it adulting. It's a lot of fun. So I'm not moving every day like I normally do. Whenever I'm solo, we're actually going to stay put for a few days. So we brought a lot more stuff and made it more like home. So this is really fun. We're going to cook up some good food this afternoon. So go for a bike ride and check out the canyon. Maybe try to fly the drone. It's going to be a good day. All kinds of campsites here. That one's really nice. How nice. So our campsite is just past mile marker 2 on this Forest Service road. I'll try to figure out what road that is that we're on. Do you remember what Forest Service road this is? No clue.
You told me this earlier.
Oh. Huh. I'll tell you later. So I had a lot of fun riding my e-bike and checking out the area today. It's been a really fun time. So I really appreciate you guys coming along with me on my little travels. I hope whatever you're doing today, you are having a fabulous day too. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Go out in the woods.